Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and do a quick introduction into this next video. So this video is a quick taste and a snippet of what I experienced back in September when I attended the Grow with Video conference. And I was able to participate in this event with my friend, Mommy Tips by Cole. If you don't know her on YouTube, she's got a channel called Mommy Tips by Cole, and she's also the founder of 411 Mamas. We had the opportunity to attend this event together, and so big shout out to her. But other than that, if you guys are interested in seeing a little bit about what we experienced at the conference, continue watching.
Appreciate you coming out. Man, this is crazy. Can we just stand on our feet for a second and just, maybe just, I don't know, stand on our feet, but my name's Sean, I'm so pumped you're here, and it's going to be an incredible couple of days of content, but you know, one of the most powerful things about what we're going to do is the connections. And so as we kind of get started, I would love for you to just meet the people around you. You know, we're going to kick it off right now. Would you just greet the people around you? And here's the question: who are you? Where are you from?
To success on LinkedIn. This is it. So to wrap up here, just to give you an actual takeaway before we get into the Q&A, I start every brand with a clarity piece. The most obvious place on LinkedIn to talk about clarity is the profile. Your profile is important everywhere, but on LinkedIn this is especially true. This is the piece that actually gets it so that it